Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so I have a point on the terminal side of an angle X, which is in standard position. Okay, so let's think about what quadrant that's going to put X in. I'm going negative on the X value, so I'm going left of 0 and positive 24. So I am going to be in quadrant 2. I went left 7, so this side measures 7, and up 24 to get to this point up here. I'll just label that negative 7, 24. And this is giving me angle X. Now I want to find the 6 trig functions for X. So I want sine, cosine, tangent, and their reciprocals. Cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Before I get started, I notice that that point only gives me 2 sides of a right triangle. So before I do anything else, I'm going to set this up and use Pythagorean theorem to find that missing hypotenuse. So I want 7 squared plus 24 squared. That is going to give me 625 equal to c squared. I'm going to take the square root of both sides, and I'm going to get c is 25. Okay, now I can start writing my ratios. I'm in quadrant 2, and in quadrant 2, sine is the positive function, sine and its reciprocal. So these two ratios, sine and cosecant, are going to be positive. All the other functions are going to be negative. Sine is the ratio of the side opposite the angle over the hypotenuse. In reference to angle X, 24 is opposite, and the hypotenuse is 25. Cosine is the ratio adjacent side over hypotenuse. In relation to X, 7 is the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. Tangent stands for the opposite side over the adjacent. That would be 24 over 7. To get the 3 remaining reciprocal functions, it's very simple. I just need to flip those fractions. Since cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, cosecant is 25 over 24. Secant, 25 over 7. Cotangent, 7 over 24. And of course, make sure the right signs are there for the ones that are negative, and you're all set.